Hi, Carly. I really enjoyed your video response or your video discussion. It was actually pretty informative because I took what I read a little different than how you did. Actually, how you described in the video kind of makes me believe that I actually do more agree that they are myths rather than disagreeing with a couple of the things they say of them being myths. So, that being said, I do think that words should be able to evolve over time, but I don't think that they should be totally taken out of different contexts that they were initially meant to be. Like, I think some words are being completely torn into a different direction of what is actually meant or how they initially were meant to be. And you're right that uh, words are how the people or words are meant for what the people want them to be. That's very true. Very, very true. Especially with today's society. We can make the word window turn into something completely, absolutely off the wall crazy, and people would be saying, like, oh, I don't know. I guess the more better example would be like the word lit. Like, oh, we're going to get lit this weekend. Like, what? Back in the day, that would not have been anything remotely close to what we would be saying. But like you said, it is what the people want the word to be.